So welcome to presentation number 4 on eSigma integrated CAPI module and desktop version for data entry of ASUS round 2. And in this presentation we will be discussing the necessary flow of data after an investigator canvasses a schedule. Okay, so this is the FSU that for which we have made a data entry in our presentation number 2 and 3, and in this presentation we will be discussing how to submit this data. Okay, so we have selected this establishment FSU. Now click on submit to SSO button. So it is showing an error, a message that FSU has warnings. Would you like to submit? Okay, I will click on yes, because if there are errors in the data, it will not at all allow me to go to submit this data. And since I have cleared all the errors in due course of my presentation, wherever those have come side by side, we have cleared all those errors. So that is the reason this message is coming. This FSU has warnings only, there are no errors. Okay, so click on this. Okay, now it is showing that all the warnings must either be corrected or confirmed or accepted or rejected before sending. Okay, and now we need to select on confirm warning button. Now this, as soon as we click on this button, it will show me all the warnings that are there in my data. Okay, it including all the establishments. So in my case there were 4 establishments. Okay, 4 ESUs. So 4 ESUs में जितना भी warnings था, all those have come in this list. And next thing what we need to do is to select each and every warning, read it carefully, and give our remark as to why this warning has come up, and we need to click confirm. The investigator needs to confirm. Unless until the investigator confirms this error is warning, either he has two options: either he confirms this warning and move ahead, or if he wishes, if he sees that no, there is some problem in data, he can always go to that thing. So clicking on this view data, so it will take you to the concerned item in the block, and here you will do your data entry so that this warning can go off. Okay, so as to make your data consistent with respect to this warning. If you feel that okay, this warning is justifiable, ये वार्निंग रह ही सकता है डेटा के अंदर, इसमें कुछ इसके अंदर दिस इज अ जेन्युइन केस, देन येस यू विल गो अबाउट, you will click on this, you will confirm this warning by clicking on this button by and entering your remarks why I am confirming this warning, saving it and exiting. So this is the process. Edit. So I am confirming this again, saving it, exit. Then please check entry in 581 and 582. Now let us see what this warning is. So I am clicking this warning, we view data. So this says for 581 and 582, this is opening stock and closing stock. Then opening and closing data should always come, and that is the reason this warning has come. So let us इसमें थोड़ा डेटा हम डालते हैं ताकि हमारी वार्निंग आएगी नहीं. सेविंग इट. ओके, नाउ देर इज टोटल एरर. Okay, saving. E-system 589 must be reported with positive values. Okay. ओके, सो हमने यहाँ पे डेटा को इसको रेक्टिफाई कर दिया. देन देर इज़ वन मोर वार्निंग विच इज़ इन 809 पे हमने डेटा कैनवस करते टाइम डिस्कस किया था कि क्यों वार्निंग आ रहा है, बिकॉज वो पेरिनियल एंटरप्राइज था और डेटा में वो रह गया था. सो आइदर मैं उसको जाकर डेटा को ठीक करूँ, और अगर ये जेन्युइन केस है तो मैं इसको कंफर्म भी कर सकती हूँ. तो लेट अस कंफर्म दिस वार्निंग by putting on some remarks why this warning is getting confirmed, saving it, exit. Then this is this also we had talked about during my presentation, and edit it, confirm, then this, saving it, exit. So this is how all the warnings that are there in the data, we have confirmed them, then exit. So now click on this button, submit to SSO. Okay. Acha, one more thing, this validate button will give you the list of all the errors or warnings in across all the ESUs that have been canvassed for a particular FSU. So this, so यहाँ पे आपको जितना भी ESU में, जितना भी FSU में FSU की जितनी भी ESUs हैं उसमें जितना भी वार्निंग्स और एरर्स हैं वो पूरी लिस्ट आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगी फॉर योर रेफरेंस. So I'm clicking on this, submit to SSO. Okay, I have confirmed my warnings also, and you will see that 21041 submitted successfully. It means the investigator has been able to submit this record successfully, submit the data for the FSU number 2104041 successfully. So it, as soon as I am click on this button, it will go off from this list. अब यहाँ पर 21140 यहाँ पे मिलेगा नहीं. Now we will have to see. तो फ्रॉम JSO लेवल ये डेटा सबमिट हो गया. अब ये डेटा किसके पास पहुंच गया? उसके कंसर्न SSO के पास में. सो फ्रॉम हियर ऑनवर्ड्स आई विल कंटिन्यू इन नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके, थैंक यू.